First tire of the day. Get it out of here. Get out of our creek. Tent.
Nice. So, get it in there. Nice. Fabian's like, I can do this one on my own.
I got it. Shane.
Do this, ladies.
Just found some kind of textile wrapped around a tree. What'd you find, Gail? It's en route? Oh, no, I think it's already here. Get it? Oh, nice. Yay, smile.
Teamwork. Nice.
They got a cart, y'all. Dang.
Oh my god.
Guitar Hero. Ding, 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 ding. Woohoo! Woohoo!
We're at the confluence of San Juan Creek and Arcade Creek, moving up.
It's really heavy.
It's full of sand.
It's a dead body.
Ah! We finally get one.
Maybe it's a whole bike. Oh, it's a whole bike. Thank your Get out of here, bike. He's strong.
Woohoo!
Nice. Good job, ladies. Steel mattress frame. What's left of a mattress. Very pokey. Good job, you guys.
I told them there was a log there and nobody listened to me.
There they go. Nice job.
Nice, we got it.
Walmart again. Number 5. And a golf ball. Yep. Perfect. Look at that execution. Get rid of our groceries. Scan number 3. Good work.
Look at all of this. Gail's sitting in her chair that she found, trying to get out. But look at all of this. This is insane. 3 people.
Eat your heart out, Rudy. So, it's 6 o'clock p.m. and Lisa and Gail and I are finishing up our afternoon cleanup. This is San Juan Creek. So we worked up Arcade Creek, and our haul route out has to go through San Juan Creek, up a hill. There's Gail. Hi, Gail. And then to the trailer way over there.
Good job, Gail. It's a long schlep. Long haul out.